Okay, let's get started.
So this is the Rangoli design that we are going to make today. If you see, we have the drawing made on one part and the other part is completely drawn and colored. So we have to see this design, the motif, and we have to continue it in all the other boxes forming a pattern. Let's get started. Now once we are done with the drawing part, now we'll start coloring this. The color guide has already been given to us in this side of the Rangoli, so we have to follow the same color scheme. As you know, we always first outline the picture and then we fill in the color. Make sure you cover all the white areas. Then we have blue. I always use oil pastels to color any of my pictures, but while you are making the rangoli on the floor, you can either use poster colors, acrylic colors, or even the special rangoli colors that come in the market. The next color we have is yellow. Oil pastels doesn't require any one direction of coloring as far as you are doing it the right way. The force on the color should not be very less or very much. It should be somewhere in between. The next color that we take is purple. Never ever use plastic crayons to color your pictures, as they don't give you that intensity of the color that you actually need to make a good picture. I rather suggest you use oil pastels. Pencil colors are even a little better than crayons, but the best are oil pastels because they have that good intensity of color. And the best thing that we have is paint, that we are going to learn in further classes. Make sure you don't leave any white gaps. Outlining we have already done before with the black color, so I'm not outlining my pictures here. Make sure your color is totally opaque and not even translucent. Fill in all the gaps properly. All the white areas that you see. Now we have red for the circles. Oops, we forgot this one. So I'm again taking violet and filling in this one box that is left. Fill in all the white gaps. I have already asked you to do that. Once you're done with the picture, keep checking if there is any white gap left. Now the color in the triangle is the same we did here. It is yellow. So we are done with our Rangoli design. So after doing this activity, I hope you understood the concept of repeating patterns, where one pattern is given to us and we have to repeat it in all the other boxes. Remember, rangolis are made to decorate our houses on Diwali and other Indian festivals. So whenever you have any festival upcoming, make sure you do this activity on the floor of your house. I'll see you in the next class. Till then, happy learning.